Man, this food tastes good. What's up, Caleb? Hey, Chris and Caleb. What are those? Those are ball magnets. Well, let's play. Ugh. Ugh. Hey. Hey, I see a bird. Where? Don't freaking, Hey, it feels like we lost everyone. There it is. Got it. Aren't you guys gonna eat your food? No, until we play this game, I guess. Okay. Hey! What are we doing here? We were playing with ball magnets. Okay, whose are these? His. Don't play with the ball magnets anymore! Do you hear me? Yeah. Okay. Eat your food after you put those up.